In previous part, we discussed about the basics of cube and dice. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the problems based on cube and dice. Let's start with the first problem. Problem number 1. Which of the following is a standard dice? We need to find out the standard dice from the following options. We know that if a dice is said to be standard, then the sum of the opposite sides must be equal to 7. Let's start from the first option. The opposite of 1 must be 6 to become a standard dice, so that 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. The opposite of 2 must be 5, so that 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. But here 2 and 5 are adjacent surfaces. Hence, we can cancel option number 1 because we cannot add any other number except 5 in which we can make it a standard dice. And in figure 2, surface 4 and 3 are adjacent surfaces. It also will be cancelled because 4 and 3 must be in opposite surfaces to get a standard dice. And in figure 3, it is possible to make opposite surfaces sum equal to 7. As 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 and 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Hence, option 3 is correct because we can make these dice as a standard dice. And in option 4, it is not possible because both 1 and 6 are adjacent surfaces. Hence, sum of opposite surface cannot make 7. Hence, the answer is option 3. Let's move on to the next problem. In the given standard dice, which number will come in the place of a question mark? Again, it is given that this is a standard dice. Hence, sum of the opposite faces will be equal to 7. Taking option number 1, 1 and 4. It never comes because 1 comes opposite to 6 to make 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Hence, it is cancelled. Option number 2 is also not possible as 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, as they must be the opposites to make a standard dice. Option number 3. It is possible because 2 plus 3 is not equal to 7. Hence, answer is option 3. And in option 4, it is also not possible because 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. But both numbers 5 and 2 must be opposite. Hence, we can cancel option 4. Move on to the next problem, number 3. What should be the number opposite to 4? Here, two different positions of a dice are given. We have to find the number which is opposite to the face of 4. As face 5 is common in both positions, taking clockwise direction starting from 5, we get opposite of 6 is 1. And opposite of 2 is 4. Hence, the cube is like this. Opposite of 1 is 6. Opposite of 2 is 4. Opposite of 3 is 5. Hence, we get the answer number 2 is opposite to 4. Let's take the next problem. Below, 3 positions of a dice are given. Which symbol will be opposite of 0? So here, the trick is that take the common symbol from two figures, that is the cross symbol. It is present in both 1 and 2, and take clockwise direction starting from cross symbol. In both 1 and 2 figures, we get like this. That is triangle symbol as opposite to star and dot symbol opposite to circle, and the cube will be like this. Here, the circle is opposite to dot symbol. Hence, answer is option 4. That is, dot comes opposite to circle. Move on to the next problem. Below, 4 positions of dice are given. Which letter will be opposite of C? This is a special type of question in which we can find the answer from the given options. It is simple. If you get the idea, we have to find the opposite letter of C. Observe figure 1, where both E and A are near to C. Hence, it will never be opposite to C. So cancel both options 1 and 3. And in figure 3, where B and D are near to C, hence they will never be opposite to C. Hence, we can cancel option D. The remaining option is 2, that is F is the corresponding answer. In this part, we discussed about some easy problems. In next part, we move on to more complicated problems. In this type of questions, to find out any letter opposite to other letters, first you have to identify the nearest letter corresponding to the letter to be found out and cancel all the nearest letters from the options, and the remaining one option will be your answer.